Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we're going to fix auto rotate not working on Android phone. If you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. So, let's start the video. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix auto rotate not working Android with the 7 best fixes. Solution 1. Check if auto rotate is enabled. It's likely that you've accidentally disabled rotation, especially if you've got a rotation lock shortcut in your phone's quick settings menu. Simply swipe down from the top of the screen to open quick settings or notification panel. Then look for the auto rotate icon, enable it. Solution 2. Restart your Android phone. Restarting your phone purges system memory, which often resolves many strange behaviors including auto rotate not working problem. To do this, press and hold the power button until a menu appears. Select Restart. Wait for the device to restart. Solution 3. Check for system software update. Many Android users don't usually think of updates as useful in fixing problems. In fact, the opposite is true. Installing the software updates not only fixes known bugs but they can also prevent future glitches from developing. To do this, go to Settings app on your phone. Then, find and tap on About Device or Software Update. After this, tap on Download and Install. Solution 4. Don't touch the screen. Remember, your Android screen is a touch screen. Holding your finger on the screen while rotating the phone will prevent auto rotate from working. Performing any Android gestures has the same effect. To rotate, hold the phone by its edges only. Solution 5. Remove recent installed apps. If your Android screen rotation not working issue has surfaced recently, you should inspect the apps that you have installed recently. It is better you uninstall the apps that you have installed recently. To do so, open the Play Store app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner. Tap on the Manage Apps and Device option from the pop-up menu. Go to the Manage tab and you will see the list of the installed apps under Recently Updated. Select the ones that you want to uninstall and tap on Trash icon in the upper right. Restart your device after successful uninstallation and see if the problem is solved. Solution 6. Replace your phone's broken screen. If you've recently dropped your phone and caused any kind of damage to the screen, you're likely to experience such touchscreen issues. In that case, replacing the broken screen might be your only option. It's best to take your phone to a nearby service center and have it checked out. Solution 7. Use Android Repair Tool. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve Android auto rotate not working problem, then there is no better option than using the Android Repair Tool. Besides this issue, it can fix other Android system errors and issues easily. To try this software, click on the link given in the description box below. I hope these solutions will help you in resolving auto rotate not working on Android phone. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.